Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now this is an update on the whole state of emergency thing that is going on in South St. Andrew right about now, and I have 3 things to show you that is going to keep you up to date and posted so that you can have an understanding what's going on in the state of emergency. The first one is of a video footage showing the finding of an assault rifle. The second one is of resident speaking how they feel about the whole state of emergency thing that's happening around them right about now. And the third one is of a schedule that has been set by the Jamaica Constabulary Force telling when business places, churches and so on should be open and closed during the state of emergency that is going on in South St. Andrew. Now, over 40 persons has been detained since the state of emergency has been declared for South St. Andrew by Jamaica Prime Minister Mr. Andrew Holness on Sunday the 7th of July 2019. Mr. Andrew Holness also went on to explain that there has been 94 murders since the 1st of January to the 29th of June 2019 as he compared last year's murder rate in the South St. Andrew to be 79, right? Now, there has been a report that there is a finding of an assault rifle immediately as the state of emergency has been declared by Jamaica Prime Minister Mr. Andrew Holness, right? Now, I have a video footage to show you of this finding that has been assisted by the police canine, alright? Please observe. Yep, so there you have it, a canine, a police canine actually finding an assault rifle, an illegal firearm, and you don't know, they are going to take that and they are going to do all kind of testing and all these things, you see. Now, the second thing I'll talk about right about now is the mixed feelings of the whole situation of the state of emergency, where persons of the affected areas are actually telling how they feel about the whole state of emergency thing. You see, some persons seems to have a good feeling towards this, but some persons seems to have a little doubt about what's going on with it. However, I have one audio that I'm going to play for you right about now where someone is explaining how they feel about the whole state of emergency that is happening around them right about now. Alright, so please listen to observe.
From wake up this morning, come on time sweep the road free of cars. So when I wake up this morning, I see them. I'm happy when I see them. I feel sick so I can get a good night's sleep today, tomorrow, and for the time being. I feel safe since them there.
Yeah, she said you couldn't sleep before you used to sleep.
I feel sleep, but I don't sleep comfortable. I feel sleep if I hear the dog, I feel listen notes. But I feel that's the best thing I'm in the area.
Leave for the children.
Even for the children, them can. Even the children, them walk. Sometimes you send them out, they are afraid for your child and them something there. So I'm kind of glad to say, yeah, them can't get free. Only thing now, the problem is it's just the selling thing now. Like people them have them shop and one if them could I just even give them till 10, 11 o'clock. I don't know say people live after. But otherwise, them have children to send back to school and them look a thing there. I don't know say innocent era this way. Nothing more this fatherless there so. But we have to be mother. Although them can have a father, but we still a mother and father for them. So I know a business we have to do for send back when kids go to school. I know sir. We have to prepare back for back to school and them some of this. So the only problem I have with the Zozo are just the business. Me that just want them load business yeah.
And there you have it right there. You hear how they feel about the state of emergency that's going on right about now around them. You see? And you can see, as you hear, you can hear a lot of mixed feelings in that, where there are good in it and there is a part of it where they find bad. You know what I'm saying to you? But however, there's one thing that has been declared in it is that they actually feel safe due to the crime and violence that has been happening. You can see that persons have been living in fear for a little, not even a little time, but quite a while right about now, isn't it? Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is a schedule that has been set by the Jamaica Constabulary Force for the public to use as a guideline when to be on the street and when to leave the street. This schedule is mainly set for like business places, you know what I mean? But if you use your brain, it will tell you that when the business places them lock, so you yourself supposed to take yourself off of the street, because guess what? There's a curfew going on right about now. You see me? I say, so this is for business places, churches, and so on. You see me? And I'm going to give you a view or give you an update on the schedule that has been set by the Jamaica Constabulary Force right about now. Alright? Observe with me. Now, this is the schedule that has been set for the business places that are in the affected areas of the state of emergency of South St. Andrew. Clubs and food places like restaurants are to be open from 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. Places operating under a tavern license can be open from 7 a.m. till 8 p.m. Petroleum filling station should be open from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. Supermarket, grocery shops, cook shops, and other places that offers goods for sale can be open from 8 a.m. till 7 p.m. Pharmacies can be open from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. Churches can be open from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. Any other public places can be open from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. This is the schedule that has been set by the Jamaica Constabulary Force for business places and churches that are in the area that is affected by the state of emergency. Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the schedule that has been set for business places and churches throughout the places that are in the affected area of the state of emergency, and I also give you an audio where persons explain how they feel about the whole situation of the state of emergency. And as you listen, you can hear that a lot of persons is happy because they are living in fear, really and truly, because the whole crime and violence is escalating too much. You know what I'm saying to you? There's lots of good persons out there that want to live a good and happy life, but because of the whole crime and violence thing, persons are living in fear. And it's, you can actually hear where the persons are glad to have the police presence right there. So may I say, so a state of emergency has been declared for South St. Andrew for 14 days. So may I say 14 days since the 7th of July, which would be Sunday the 7th of July 2019. I have also did a video that stated out the places that is affected by this state of emergency thing that is going on, but you don't know, you'd have to wait until this video is at the end, and you will see a link. You just click the link that will take you back to the previous video that would actually state out the places that are affected by this state of emergency thing. You know what I'm saying to you? Alright, so YouTubers, I don't know, just maybe know to think about the whole state of emergency thing. Like, people would really and truly like to put a post out there to actually know if the state of emergency thing is a good thing, and how long do you think the state of emergency should go on for? I mean, is 14 days enough, or do you think it should be extended more, or anything like that? Is what I'm saying to you, because guess what? Persons say that them actually feel more comfortable this way with the whole state of emergency that is going on. Alright, so let me know what you think. Should it be extended more than the 14 days, or it stay as it is? Alright, don't know. So as always, I don't know, I bring to you what happen on social media, keep you up to date and posted, and make you can understand how I go on. And by the way, persons, if you don't have any reasons to be in them affected areas, then want to make sure to stay clear of these areas. You understand, it is a state of emergency. So if you don't have a real reason, stay away. If you must go to these areas, remember, always walk with your necessary documents that you can be identified, because guess what? You can be detained because you don't, or you're not identified by the police that are there at the state of emergency place. You get what I'm saying to you? Alright, remember, that's just a warning. So if you can stay away, stay away. If you must go there, walk with your identification. Alright, Okay, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think, and as always, read the comments, as my viewers and subscribers will leave some comments that can be very informative, you know, and as always, me myself sometimes will leave a comment that can keep you up to date and posted are more informative to what's going on with the video that I've just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, my name is Seriousskilla. Unu big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.